Recall that brazing soldering process is carried out using flame that produces high heat. There is always a threat that during these operations, a fire may break out. A fire extinguisher is a handy tool used to put off the fire by discharging a jet of water or gas. Before starting the brazing or soldering operation, we should identify objects that can catch fire due to heat. We should not perform these operations in the presence of a flammable or explosive atmosphere. We should not carry out brazing and soldering operation near readily ignitable materials. For example, non-metals like nylon inside valve or PVC pipe used for connecting piping of HVAC system can catch fire. So, we should disassemble them while performing brazing and soldering.